Microsoft just came out with some incredible announcements about how they plan to incorporate AI into their operating system and Office suite of tools. Today, we have several piecemeal AI tools from chatbots to text image generators, but they each have different use cases, or some have updated information while others don't. And this fractured paradigm is what Microsoft is attempting to solve by incorporating all these options into their software. It won't be much longer until all of our devices are more seamless with how they provide answers or guiding us to activities and options that we didn't even know that we needed. And Microsoft's approach to this opportunity is to tie it all together within their Copilot ecosystem, which I think is a genius marketing approach to incorporate AI into all of our lives. The intent of Copilot is to revolutionize our digital interactions by seamlessly weaving insights from the web, work data, and our real-time PC activities, all while safeguarding privacy and security. This isn't just another technological advancement, it's a narrative of simplification. Copilot begins its public debut set to roll out with a free update to Windows 11 launching on September 26th. This Windows update will be teeming with over 150 new features, from Bing's AI capabilities and the transformative potential of Microsoft 365 chat. Productivity will never be the same. And I am not going to be able to cover all 150 updates to Windows, but I'll try to highlight just a few. First, the Copilot in Windows is meant to be a digital companion, engineered to streamline tasks, reduce complexity, and make our work more efficient. I'll start by discussing the program Paint, which now boasts features like background removal and layers. Additionally, a preview of Co-Creator offers generative AI capabilities, elevating your Paint experience to new heights. And I'm the first to admit that I rarely use Paint because it's never really been a useful program for me. But with these features, will it compete with the likes of big software like Photoshop? No, I really don't think so, but it will give everyone access to simple picture editing and background removal. And when it comes to video editing, Clipchamp introduces auto compose, suggesting scenes, edits, and narratives based on your images and footage. You can now create and edit videos like a professional, whether it's for sharing with friends, family, or even social media. And one of the larger updates many of us are looking forward to is a modernized Outlook for Windows, unifying various accounts into a single app. Intelligent tools assist in composing clear, concise emails and effortlessly attaching documents and photos from OneDrive. And this is an area where I believe Microsoft will shine, and it's going to completely change productivity with emails and overall workload. And when you inquire about a product, Bing engages in a conversation, asking pertinent questions to better understand your preferences. This information is then harnessed to provide you with tailored recommendations. And I want to point out that I am personally excited to see DALL-E 3 from OpenAI integrated into Bing Image Creator. DALL-E 3 raises the bar, introducing more stunning creations with intricate details you'd expect to see with fingers and eyes. It boasts a deeper understanding of our requests, resulting in a more precise image result. And it will be widely available, free, and hopefully no limits on the usage like most other image generators. And a new product they are showcasing is one that I'm happy to read about, is the introduction of content credentials. This feature employs cryptographic methods to invisibly watermark all AI-generated images within Bing. Now, when it comes to big companies, there's a major problem with AI chatbots and tools, and that's that they have a major security and IP risk for most companies. You see, they don't want employees sharing sensitive work information. And that's why Microsoft has been pushing hard all year to provide an enterprise solution that keeps customer information safe, secure, and isolated. And this service is planned to be launched on November 1st. And a big change coming to Microsoft 365 is the Microsoft 365 Chat. This feature, previously known as Business Chat, has undergone a lot of change, where chat is meant to be the new ultimate assistant, seamlessly navigating through your work universe, including emails, meetings, chats, documents, and the web. It comprehends your job, priorities, and organization, going beyond simple Q&A to assist you with complex or tedious tasks like drafting a strategy document, booking business trips, or tackling your overflow inbox. And of course, Microsoft is introducing new Copilot capabilities across various Microsoft apps like Outlook, Word, Excel, Loop, OneNote, and OneDrive. Writing documents will look vastly different in the near future, and soon everyone will have the ability to be an Excel superstar with near expert level skills in analyzing data, so long as you know the right prompts and how to interpret the results. Microsoft briefly touches on Teams being incorporated into the Copilot oversight, but I have to say I'm a little disappointed that they didn't have more to offer from Teams. For example, it should be able to record an entire meeting, provide a full transcript by speaker, summarize the meeting, highlight next steps, schedule any follow-up meetings, document any calls of action, and share any relevant slide or document that was from the meeting. To me, that is next-level assistance that everyone needs. And one of the newer software concepts to be released is Designer, the latest addition to their suite of Microsoft 365 consumer apps, harnessing AI to help craft stunning visuals, social media posts, invitations, and more. In collaboration with OpenAI's DALL-E 3, they're introducing powerful features like generative expand, generative fill, and generative erase, which brings creativity to a new level. Designer is also being integrated into Microsoft 365 Copilot for consumers, beginning with Word. This integration uses a document's context to suggest visuals, allowing us to transform text-heavy documents into compelling content with ease. I'm hopeful that this will also be incorporated into PowerPoint to make the drudgery of presentation setup and design to be much more simple and seamless. Overall, Microsoft is leaning in heavily into converging powerful AI into a suite of offerings all into one location. And this provides a new level of simplicity, security, and responsibility. Having worked in product development myself at Amazon, I am personally impressed at how quickly Microsoft implemented this technology across so much of their ecosystem. I expect this is going to provide them with a lot of growth and interest into their software, but I also expect it to greatly increase their revenue and their profits directly attributed to AI, which not many companies have done yet to date.